Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. We are working on ProjectEJ6. It's been a while, but thought I'd come out here. It's a nice day out. See what we can get some things done. Probably start cleaning up the interior. I've been, throwing stuff in here when I've been working, some parts. Then maybe start taking out these seats and just taking out some of the interior. Alright, this is what I got removed so far. Got the front seats, the lower trim pieces, the cluster right here, the steering wheel. I think I can take the dash off now. I know there's a bolt here on both sides. I think one or two down here, and the one up top, and probably a couple more I'll have to look for. We'll take the dash out. Alright, got the dash out. Here's what it looks like. It went smooth for the most part. I did forget a few connectors as I was taking it off. I just unplugged them. And then, like I said, I got the seats removed. Here's the dash. It went pretty good, except I had one little incident. When I was taking it out, it slipped from my hands, and where I grabbed it, I grabbed right here, and this piece right here broke off. So brittle, I barely touched it and it broke, but I might be able to glue it. The only thing is it's a little flimsy right there now, not so much there, but mainly right there because it connects. But we'll see what I do. I'm gonna just put this in a bag, and then we'll see what we can do to make that look better. But yeah, I think that's where we're going to leave off today. I'm just going to clean up everything, take all these parts, try to find a spot in the garage for them. But progress is progress. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below, and until next time, peace out.